Today I'm going to be showing you the perfect chest workout that you can do with zero equipment, just your body weight. So let's just get straight into it.
To build the perfect chest at home, we'll be performing a workout that'll target the three main areas of the chest, the upper, middle, and lower regions. To start, we'll be performing 2 sets of traditional push-ups to failure, meaning you'll perform as many reps as humanly possible to the point of mechanical failure when you can no longer push yourself back up for a full repetition. The reason for this? So we can achieve progressive overload next week when we attempt to beat the number of push-ups achieved this week. After completing the first set to failure, rest about 2.5 minutes and reattempt. You'll likely only be able to perform 60 to 70% of the number of push-ups you were able to get on your first set, but still push for maximal repetitions. Resting 60 to 90 seconds, we'll move on to 2 to 3 sets of the pike push-ups. With this position, but elevated in the air, we'll move the focus of this exercise to the upper chest. As you're coming down and pressing up, focus on contracting and flexing the upper pecs. It's important that you keep your butt in the air for more of a focus of the upper chest. So focus on preventing your body from returning to a more plank-like position. 10 to 20 repetitions will set that area on fire. To complete our workout, we'll move on to 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions of the elevated push-ups. More of an elevation here will help us to focus on that lower chest. The higher the elevation, the more the lower chest is going to be activated, and you're going to get less lower chest activation when you're getting a little bit more of a lower position with the elevated push-up. The reason we'll be performing more reps for this exercise is due to the removal of some of the load and difficulty when performing the elevated push-up. And as you perform each rep, focus on contracting and squeezing the lower chest as you're pushing yourself up by imagining you're sort of trying to bring your elbows together on each repetition. Perform this workout 2 times a week to build the perfect chest from home.
Now, if you're looking to build the perfect body from home, you've got to check out BarbarianBody All Access. That's my workout streaming platform. We've got home workout programs, whether you've got just dumbbells or just your body weights, as well full gym programs. Day by day, we'll explain everything for you, as well as diet plans, recipe books, grocery lists. It's delicious. You can try it free for 7 days. Link in the description. Now, if you're looking for one exercise that you can do from home to build up some massive triceps, then check out this video right here.